welcome back to BuonaPappa. Today we have a special guest here, Luca, because it's spring break, and we are going to prepare together a lovely breakfast idea. Preparing breakfast mainly during the week when it's rush time, there is no time to prepare something yummy and healthy. It's kind of tricky, and usually we end up eating always the same things. What do you like for breakfast, Luca?
I usually I eat yogurt and then I eat some cereal.
So yogurt with some honey, local honey, and cereals. That is not bad, but today we prepare something super yummy. Oat Zucchini Blueberry Apple Pancakes. They are naturally gluten and dairy free. And did you like it?
Yeah.
And I was happy as a mom because it was very nutritious and loaded with ingredients that they are brain boosting. This is a perfect recipe for a baby starting from 9 months of age. It's a lovely baby-led weaning idea, and it's perfect for toddlers and older kids too. First thing to do, we grated half a zucchini very finely, and then we squeezed the zucchini to remove all the extra water. In a food blender, we added all the ingredients, starting from
Oats, applesauce, fresh blueberries, grated zucchini,
kefir. What is kefir? It's a kind of cousin of yogurt, and it's dairy-free. We use kefir. We didn't use yogurt today.
Okay. Also, we added 1 egg,
Vanilla, maple syrup,
baking powder, baking soda that I used at school,
for experiments,
some coconut oil, and we blended everything together.
for 1-2 minutes.
Okay.
And then we just obtain a very smooth pancake mix. Look at how we make pancakes.
So first, we mix it together.
Okay.
And then it turns into like
A cream.
a cream,
paste.
and then you pour it on the pan. And
All together or 1 tablespoon at a time?
1 tablespoon at a time,
Okay.
and then
You
when
wait
the
1 or
bottom-
2 minutes.
Yeah, and when the bottom side is
Cooked.
cooked, you flip it over.
You flip it and then you cook the other side for
Yeah.
1 or 2 minutes. And then what do you like on top of the pancakes?
Honey,
Honey or maple syrup if your baby is younger than 1 year. What about fresh fruit? Banana? You could. Strawberries,
want to.
blueberries, banana. This is a super and simple recipe for breakfast. One suggestion, you can prepare the mix in the evening, refrigerate, and keep it in the fridge overnight so that the oats will get nice and tender the following morning. And so the consistency, the final consistency will be nice and smooth. This is a brain-boosting, lovely breakfast idea for your baby, for your toddler, and for your older kids, and for the rest of the family. I really, really hope you're going to enjoy it. Remember to subscribe to BuonaPappa. It's totally free. If you have comments, leave them in the area here below. And we are going to see each other next week with a new recipe from us. Ciao, ciao, ciao.